Unification video. I did one yesterday. I thought I'd follow that up with one today since we're having a little bit of a pullback. It's pulling back 10.08%. All right, after a move up yesterday of, what was that? That was a pretty good move. Ended up being wow, about 28%. All right, there's nothing to fear here. I'm going to show you that here in a second. But I wanted to zoom out here and take a look at this. Haven't looked at this chart a whole lot here, okay, at all. Besides doing a few videos here, I just wanted to see a couple things here. Okay, see what kind of measurement we got here with the Fibonacci. 50%. All right, okay, let's dig into this thing. Okay, we're going to take a look here at this chart. Major support area down here, major support. Okay, weekly. We still have that weekly RSI coming down here. Okay, that is starting to curve up down here. It's at a 20 and a 32. That weekly, when that gets to the bottom, that's going to be huge. The daily still bullish at a 59 and a 44. Okay, let's see what the 12 hour. The 12 hours at a 79 and a 77, still bullish. Okay, let me see here. What do we got? This low. Actually, we had bullish divergence here too on the 12 hour. Okay, so that's another reason I'm expecting more of a push out of this thing. Okay, you had price from here down to here went lower. Okay, down here on the RSI, price went from here and it had a higher low. Okay, had this low and a higher low. Up here it had a low and a lower low. That's bullish divergence. Okay, so that usually ends up playing out. That's great to see. All right, so let's move on here. The 8 hour. Okay, the 8 hour, we also got some bullish divergence on. We had that low, we had a higher, lower low in price. Okay, and you can see here, all we're doing here, guys, is doing a retest. Okay, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. The 8 hours at a 66 and a 76. Looks like it's going to start curving back up here. We have a green 8 hour candle. The 4 hour is curving back up. It's at a 52 and a 54. You can expect that bullish crossover here. It looks like pretty soon. Okay, let me take a look here. Okay, all right. What we ended up having here, let me show you guys. This is nothing but a retest. Okay, that's why I always preach to people. Don't buy big green candles. All right, you don't want to be the guy that buys up here. Okay. Always wait. A coin will always come back, retest the breakout, okay, and then go from there. All right, so that's all this is. That's all it looks like it is a retest. As long as it holds this level right where it's at, it should be fine. Okay, that support. Let me move this slide. Okay, that should probably be about right there. Alright, as long as it holds this 0.1896, there's nothing to fear here. Okay, this thing could bounce around sideways here for a few hours, a day or so, and then bounce out of here. But as long as it holds this level, this is nothing but just a retest. Okay, for the next move up. Alright, now what that next move up here, alright, let's see what that could end up being. Let's take a look here at some major areas here. We got a resistance level. Just trying to get some targets here for you. All right, we got a line here. Right about there. Okay, so that 21.5 cents. That's going to be your first area of resistance as long as we hold this 0.1896. All right, I see it holding that, especially with the daily still going up here. Okay, that 4 All right, then your first area of major resistance is going to be up at 21.5 cents, and if it breaks that, right up at 23 cents. Okay, I don't believe we're going to lose this support here. If we would, then this thing is doing something else. But obviously, got the breakout of this resistance right here. Okay, now it got the breakout. Now it's getting a retest. Now it should get the bounce. All right, so I'll check back tomorrow with you guys and see how this is doing. I would expect things to be moving by then. So expect a turnaround in this thing pretty soon. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.